Every Adobe Illustrator. A brief introduction, Part 7.
The Shaper tool. Shortcut is Shift-N. Click and drag to draw a rough approximation of the shape you desire, and Illustrator will automatically turn it into a crisp geometric shape. Works for straight lines, rectangles, ellipses, and polygons. The Pencil tool. Shortcut is the letter N. Works very similarly to the Paintbrush tool. Click and drag to create smooth paths. Dragging the mouse close to where you started will close the path. The Smooth tool. No default shortcut. Click and drag over a selected path to make it smoother. It is also a nice way to reduce the number of anchor points. The Path Eraser tool. No default shortcut. Click and drag over a selected path to erase parts of it. This tool is terrible to use. The Join tool. No default shortcut. Select two open paths, then click and drag to join them.